Hey everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I'm back to show you my scrap store haul that I got yesterday and just some ways really how you can be quite frugal and clever with getting craft materials. You've just got to use a little bit of imagination sometimes, but this is a great way and you're going to be super happy once I've told you about this, and you'll be going round to your nearest store that sells wallpaper, etc. Because when I show you this, you'll be like, OMG. So anyway, we have a scrap store here where I live, and how it works is you pay a yearly membership, which is £40, it's not much money really. Throughout the year, and you can then go, and they have a section where if you have a membership you can just fill your trolley up once or twice a week, and sometimes they have really good stuff in there, sometimes they don't really have much, but yesterday was a good day because I got so much. Now you don't have to do the £40 membership, you can just spend just come in off the street and fill your trolley up for £15, which is still amazing. So let me show you what I got yesterday. You will just be amazed. So anyway, on the odd occasion, they have these wallpaper sample books. And when they have them in, I grab them because they are usually gorgeous designs and so much paper, really, honestly. You wait. So okay, so I picked up these. Now I'm downstairs because I couldn't get these in my craft room. I think there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wallpaper books. Now I have already gone ahead and cut the wallpaper out, so let me move these to one side for a moment. Oh dear. And I will show you what we got. That was heavy, by the way. So what I've done is I just took a Stanley craft knife and I've cut out all of the wallpaper. Now, as you can see, some are smaller pieces, but let me show you. Look at the designs on here, and these are flocked and like glittery. Let me just put those there, and I'll just show you some of these. I mean, this is flocked, you know, just gorgeous for cards, covering journals. And look at this, look, you can see how gorgeous and glittery. So this is like a flocked. I'm going to just show you some of these designs, but you wait. One of the books was like foil. Let me show you. So look at this. This is just gorgeous. Look at this. This is like silver. Don't know if you can see in this light, but look at that. Just gorgeous. And then you've almost got like this gold leaf effect. Oh, just can't believe it's just going to make some stunning. And these are big sheets. These are bigger than 12 by 12. And then there's this one. I mean, there's about, I would say there's easily 200 sheets here. Easily. I'll just move this away. Look at this one here, look. And, you know, the wallpaper shops are quite happy to get rid of these. So, I don't know if you have any, you know, decorating stores near you. Give them a call. You know, if you don't have a scrap store, you know, give these shops a call and see if they, you know, have any old wallpaper books. I mean, look at this one. Look at that beautiful flower in the middle there. I mean, this just be amazing to cover a journal, scrapbook, make cards with them. I mean, there's also, like, there was an Italian themed one, if I could find it. I mean, look at these. Just gorgeous. Now, what I do, I mean, even just the plain sheets are lush. Look, it's just where's the Italian themed sort of ones. I mean, there's so many here, as you can see, and these are glittery. I don't know if you can see, they've got sparkles in them. But look, you can see piles and piles and piles and piles and piles. Now, what I do is I get my guillotine and I cut them down to 6 by 6 so that I can store them. And then you've got them nice and handy. Now, you might not want to cut them all down to that size if you're going to obviously cover books or journals. You know, just cut them down to I don't know, you could even cut them down by 12 by 12, and then you've got them. And look, I've just cut these all down, and I've got all these different, and also I have a pile of scraps here on the floor, which I'm going to show you how to use some of your scraps. So this will be a perfect other little project to show you how to use your scraps and what you can do with them. So that I'm going to put into another video later on today. So I'm going to be busy, as you can see, cutting out all of this paper. Now, this is just part of the haul that I had yesterday, and I'll show you as well. Let me just move these. Now, this one, I haven't cut out yet. Now, this is Lucenta vinyls. This is one of the books. So this is how they come. So this is now, even I don't know if you could get these little squares off, probably not, but they come in like this book here, and as you can see, they're just attached. So I just get a craft knife and cut down here, and then you've got your sheets, and every book has, I don't know, at least 50 sheets in. I mean, look at these, look. And these are like almost, look, they're great for men's cards. And I mean, you know, I've had about 20 of these books in the last 4 months. So lots. I threw you on the floor. I can't believe I did that. Okay, I don't know if I threw my phone on the floor. Okay, so yeah, I've had about 20 of these in the last 4 months. Lots and lots and lots of paper, you know, it's just storing it now. But as you can see, it's all over my sofa, it's all over my floor. And I will show a video later on what to do with these gorgeous scraps and what I'm going to do with them. So keep watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. This is part 1 of my scrap store haul. I will be putting up another one later because this isn't everything that I got. I got lots more. So I will show you. So keep watching. Hope you're enjoying these videos. And I shall see you all later. Take care. Bye-bye.